Today we're going to take a look at the Atlanta Interlocking Model Railroaders HO modular railroad that it was at the Atlanta train show this past weekend. And I think you're going to like it. We have so much footage of the HO and the N-scale modular railroads that were at the Atlanta train show, so we're going to split it up into two different videos, and I'm going to start off with the HO scale modular railroad that was on display by Atlanta Interlocking Model Railroaders Club. So let's get going with this right now.
Right. But it's not. Look at it. Go across the train track there. My buddy thinks excuse me.
You can't do that in my No, he came with it. He's trying to he's trying to describe you what he's doing. He's talking about 7 and 9 radius curves.
It's going to be a
You can't do that in modular railroading. He says, oh yeah, I am. I'm like, no.
It's going to go over here and back the same way. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, look how long. This train is so long. Steven says it's going to go the same way.
That must be a strong engine.
Wow. Steven's always not very strong.
Right here, baby. Right here. Buddy, I can't hold you. Like you're too heavy to grab and pick up. Oh, I thought you were
That was a great idea. Just imagine, like, okay, for 4 years old, we're still getting straight.
Yeah, that's right.
Yay, Grandma, look.
Come here.
Very cool, Steven.
All right.
Now. It's like...
Wow.
No, it's coming over here.
Not there yet, buddy. It's on the other side.
It takes 1 minute to get it over here. Here's a diesel. The diesel's coming up.
Here it is, something you're missing it.
It's New York County. You remember that? I saw that here.
Here it comes. It's going to go down this bridge over around.
It's the same thing. I got it.
I don't know. We're the one that goes
If it's coming down there, it's just going this way, right here, over here, down here, and over here. Same way.
classes on how to do this. My husband would probably go. In a small space.
Yes. Those were no problem. Straight.
Okay, so to answer your question, let's see. You're going to have to pull the whole train forward so the caboose gets past there. Then you're going to paddle it out. Who's paying it to you?
The box is up. I don't know.
This one here.
New York Central not cooperating today?
Oh, here comes the train. It's gonna go over this bridge. It is gonna go over that
That was some amazing work in that one module. A lot of work went into that, and I wish I would have been able to get some better video of it, but that one was a favorite with the kids. They loved it, and they were there almost all day long while we were there. So that was the best that I can get. So don't forget, the next video is going to be the N-scale modular railroad put on by Atlanta Bend Track. And we'll have that out in a few days, and that's a nice one also. So take a look for it.